everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my video I'm going to do focus on the lip permanent makeup for the lip, and now I'm ready to do. So first thing to do is I clean the lip out, and then I put a numbing cream on it for 30 minutes. Okay, get ready. Now I put the numbing cream on the lip. Okay. I leave it the numbing cream on the lip for 30 minutes, and I get ready to give her the lip color. Okay. Now is the lip is ready to put the color on, and it's numbing. Now is the lip numbing ready, and start take out. So now I start to draw the shape on it. Okay, I start draw the shape first. Okay, and I try to make in the middle first. Now I draw the shape done. So now I start to give the color on it. Okay, my rose and lip permanent makeup is done. I did a good job. Look at that. It's the lips so sexy, and it looks the beautiful lip right now. Wow, I like it, your lip today. Wow, so beautiful. Yeah. So how do you feel during I do your lip? And how you feel and how you like it? Yeah, you satisfied with the color and procedure I do for you, and yeah, just give me the.
Everything was good so far. I didn't feel no type of pain. It was an instantly numbing cream also used, so it was a good experience after all. I was already falling asleep by the end of it, and then I love the results. These are the lips I've always wanted, and thanks to Vivian, I was able to get those.
So you like that
the Russian style.
Yes, it looks beautiful and looks sexy lip, and I can't believe it. I done a wonderful job today, and
thank you very much.
Now I done her lips. Yeah, so rose lip. Okay, so everyone want to get the lip. The lip done, or get the lip or eyebrow, microblading eyebrow or eyeliner, and give me a call. And I had a phone number and address on the video, and if you like it, and just give me a call and just come in, and welcome everyone. Come in, and I would done a wonderful job, and I guarantee I uses the good color, and it's wonderful job for you guys. And this is my video today, and if you guys like my video, and please subscribe for me, share and like, and if you guys have any questions, just give me a comment below the video. I'm very happy to answer all the questions you guys want to ask. Okay, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.